Have you heard of Alyssa in the Kitchen Smothered Chicken Thighs? Well, at least 4.5 million people have so far, so let's make it and try it. Get some chicken thighs, put it into a baking pan. Let's start with some pepper. Let's get some paprika on, and we're going to generously season. Do not be shy with your seasoning. Garlic powder. Then let's get some onion powder, and you can use whatever your favorite seasonings are. Kinder's garlic parmesan is one of mine, so I use that as well. Let's get a splash, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and now let's coat those chicken thighs. Just move them around, make sure they're covered in the seasoning. Get some chopped carrots, stick them in between those thighs. Get either a chopped shallot or a chopped onion, get it over top. 2 cups of chicken broth, a piece of rosemary or thyme, get it covered, put it into an oven, 350 degrees for 90 minutes. Take it out, get it uncovered, remove that piece of thyme or rosemary, and then we're going to remove the liquid. It's fairly easy to drain. Get a cornstarch slurry, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of cold water. Get that gravy added back in. Now increase your oven to 450. Cook it for 20 more minutes, and there you have it. The most delicious meal. I served mine with mashed potatoes. Alyssa likes to use rice for hers. It is so delicious. This literally is so good. You can make it for a holiday meal. It is wonderful. Sunday dinner perfection. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think.